In this video, I'm going to solve 4 problems of writing proportions. So let's begin. First question. 3 folders cost $2.91. Which equation would help determine the cost of 2 folders? Okay, so the equation is 3 folders to 291 equals 2 folders to X. The relationship between 3 folders and 291 is the same as the relationship between 2 folders and the unknown amount of dollars that 2 folders costs. So this is the equation that I'm looking for. Or, let's see if I have something like this. 2 over X equals, okay, choose one answer. Here, $2. Okay. Folders and cost. So 3 cost $2.91 and 2 cost an unknown amount. So I can either write it as 3 over 291 equals 2 over X. This is one way I can write it. I can write it as 3 over 2 equals 921 over X. Okay, because the relationship between the number of folders is the same as the ratio between the cost of 3 folders and 2 folders. And I can write it the other way around. I can write 291 over 3 equals X over 2, or 2 over 3 equals X over 291. So let's see if I have, so the only option, X over 2, okay. So the only correct option is this one. 2 over X equals 3 over 291. Option B is the correct option. Okay. Five rubber stamps cost $9.70. Which equation would help determine the cost of 11 rubber stamps? Okay, so I have stamps and cost. And we know that 5 costs $9.70 and 11, we don't know how much 11 costs. So 5, I can write it as 970 divided by 5 equals an unknown amount of money divided by 11. Or I can write it as 5 to 11 equals 970 to X. The ratio between the 5 and 11 is the same ratio between the cost of 5 stamps and unknown amount of money that 11 stamps cost. Okay, so let's see if it's one of these options. Okay, so this here. So X over 11 here, they got it the other way around, 5 over 1. So option A is incorrect. Option B. x over 5. So this is incorrect. 5 over 11 equals x over 970. This is incorrect. 11 over 5. This is incorrect, so none of the above. Let's make sure. Again. Okay, so I have 4 options. Let me write it in orderly fashion. The 4 options to represent this relationship. Okay, one option is to equate the rate of stamps to the cost. So 5 to 970 is the same as 11 to the amount, to the cost of 11 stamps. So 5 stamps cost 970, 11 cost an unknown amount, and this could be written the other way around, 970 over 5. So the amount of money that 5 stamps cost divided by the number of stamps, and the amount of money that 11 stamps cost divided by the number of stamps. So these are 2 options to write it, and I also can equate the number of stamps. So 5 to 11, the ratio between 5 and 11 is the same ratio between 970, which is how much 5 stamps cost, and the amount that 11 stamps cost. The x is the unknown. And I can write it the other way around. 11 over 5 equals x over 970. So these are the 4 correct options. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if. So here I have x over 11. Option A, x over 11, but they got it the other way around for the 970 and the 5, so option A is incorrect. Here I have 11 over 970. 11 over 970 is incorrect, because they crossed it and it's not possible to represent a relationship this way. 5 over 11, okay, so I have 5 over 11 here, but I got the other part of the equation mixed up, so C is incorrect. 11 over 5 equals x over 970, and again I got it the other way around, so none of the above. Okay, so I have books and I have the cost, and they tell me that 8 books cost 1960. Okay, which equation would help determine the cost of 10 books? Okay, so 10 cost, and I don't know the amount of dollars that 10 books cost. Okay, so 8 to 1960 is the same as 10 to x, or the other way around, 1960 over 8 is the same as x over 10. Or I can equate the number of books 10 to 8 over 1960. Okay, so these are the 4 valid options. So let's see, x over 10 equals, so this is wrong, 10 over 1960, 10 over 1960. So here again they crossed it, so it's incorrect. 8 over 10 equals x over 1960. This is incorrect. 10 over 8. So this is again incorrect. So I have markers and have cost. Tell me that 3 markers cost 5.79. Which equation would help determine the cost of 13 markers? So 13 cost unknown amount. Okay, so the 3 valid options to represent this relationship is 3 over 5.79 equals 13 over x, or the other way around, 5.79 over 3 equals the cost of 3 divided by the number of markers and the cost of 13 divided by the number of x divided by 13. So these are 2 options that are valid. And another 2 options are 3 over 13 equals 5.79 over x, or 13 over 3 equals x over 5.79. So these are the 4 valid options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here I have 13 over, so again 13 and 5.79, they crossed it. So this is incorrect. X over 13 equals 3. So here we see that they mixed it up. So it's incorrect. 3 over 5.79 equals 13 over x. So C is correct. 13 over x. 13 over x. Okay, equals 3. Okay, so it's the other way around. So, and this is incorrect because C is correct. Good. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, I'm going to do this practice, proportion word problems. I'll see you in the next video.